Today we see how to install Google Chrome. First, search Google Chrome, then hit enter and see first result Google Chrome, fast and secure. Click this link, then download Chrome. Click here and it's already downloading. It's downloaded. Just click here, Chrome setup, and click yes. My internet connection is open and it's installing with using internet. It's installing. Just wait few seconds. It's installed done and automatically open my Google Chrome. And you can use now your Google Chrome easily. Please subscribe my channel and comment below. It's help you or not.